So hi again. Now I continue the sort of this sort of decoration. So I click to grade and uh, and I select the grid for this closed surface, and I choose as composite colors the gray, and I mélange between the gray and the pink. So I select here the gray and the pink as two colors for this closed surface, and I will place it in the medium of the object. So you can constant the part up part, that mean that it's designed for the as support of a solar installation. So this is one thing, and then another thing that you it must be this three party of this object, the down and the medium and the up of the object, selected by the command union, so to be as a object, one object. So I continue to copy this down part into different party of garden, and now I'm focused to another things that it's important is how to create the door for the input. So for create a door in the inputs of garden, I use the command subtraction. So subtraction is you. It's a command that it's used more in 3D. So I choose a good position. I create a object or cube that I will use it for to subtract from the input. So I choose a longer, so for this object to create the door. Of course you can constate that I choose it blue because I want that the internal wall for the input will be in blue color. So this is why I choose it blue. So as I say, I click SU, the command subtraction, and I select the big one, answer, and I select the second one, answer, and I find the door. But here I think I didn't do the good longer for the when I copy. So I think I will do a more object more longer than the first one, so to have the result that I want. So I think that it will be enough. Enter, and I select the command SU again. So I select command SU, I select the first one, enter, and the second one, enter, and I found this result. So as you see, we have the garden here, the input of the garden with the internal wall in color blue. So this is the final of this part of video. So let's see you in the next video.